Today I would like to show you how to configure and use the FHIR REST interfaces of DHIS2 FHIR Adapter. I have already downloaded and installed the adapter. This includes the creation of the database and the creation of the configuration file with the connection settings to DHIS2 backend and to the database. You can download the adapter from GitHub repository. This contains also an installation instruction, which you can find at the bottom of the page, and also a comprehensive wiki. After starting the FHIR adapter, you can immediately request a list of FHIR locations. These are mapped to DHIS2 organization units. On the first request, you must enter the username and password of an existing DHIS2 user. For this example, I am using admin district of the Sierra Leone demo.b. The list of locations are being shown afterwards. In order to use any features that depend on tracked entity instances, you must configure the mapping of tracked entity instances to FHIR resources. I will use the simple setup wizard to do the configuration. Since I am using Sierra Leone demo database for this example, I can use the pre-configured values of tracked entity type person. Additionally, I'm adding some frequently used tracked entity attributes to the tracked entity type in the maintenance section of DHIS2. For example, the national identifier, the birth date, the gender, and the address of the person. Now I simply press Setup here. And that's it. Now we can request a list of patients that are stored in DHIS2. You can see here, for example, the family name, the given name, the birth date, and the address of the patient. DHIS2 tracker programs are mapped to FHIR plan definitions. These plan definitions contain also the basic attributes of the program stages. DHIS2 program stages and their data elements are mapped to FHIR questionnaires. As you can see here, also option sets are included in this output. DHIS2 enrollments are mapped to FHIR care plans. As you can see here, we have the status and also the tracked entity instance, the enrollment date, and also as a FHIR extension, the incident date. DHIS2 events are mapped to FHIR questionnaire responses. The data element values are mapped to FHIR questionnaire response items. Additional features can be requested as an issue on DHIS2 Jira board D2int. Thank you for listening.